In this video, I will show you how to add a subscribe to your newsletter form in Elementor step by step. First, open your WordPress dashboard and launch Elementor on the page where you want to add the form. Now, if you search for the Form widget, you'll notice that it is only available in Elementor Pro, which means you need a paid plan to use it. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround to do this for free. Go back to your WordPress dashboard, then click on Plugins and select Add New. In the search bar, type Royal Add-ons and look for Royal Elementor add-ons and templates. Click on Install, and once it's done, click on Activate. After activating the plugin, go to Pages and open the page where you want to add your newsletter form. Now click on Edit with Elementor to open the editor. On the left panel, scroll down and you'll find a new section called Royal Add-ons. From here, you can either search for Form or scroll down until you find the Form Builder widget. Drag and drop it onto your page. Once added, you can customize the form just like any Elementor widget. Edit the fields, change the button text, and adjust the design to match your website. You can also integrate it with services like MailChimp if you want to collect and manage email subscribers more effectively. Once you're done customizing, click on Publish or Update to save your changes. Now, your newsletter subscription form will be live on your website. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.